This is NT 10579. If there's a Pistons card or random, if not, there's no point. Yeah. That's it. Eggplant's the easiest one to stuff up. A hush falls. Oh, piss off. I love fries. All right, here we go. Let's do this. Come on, big cards, big cards. Greg Brown III for the Portland Trailblazers, 99. Biography materials to 99. It is Kyle Lowry. That's cool. I'll see you later. To 99, it is an on-card auto of Nate Archibald, Tiny Nate for the Celtics. To 99, it is Bill Walton for the Portland Trailblazers. For the Phoenix Suns to 99, it is D-Book, rookie base. The Pring Play 101 is Onyeka Okongwu for the Atlanta Hawks. Gee, we've got to be on a build here. That's cool. To 99, Tyrese Halliburton for the Pacers. Got a bit of smudge on it. Member of the Sacramento Kings, must be poop. Let him dry. Tell you what, that card better be better than that. It is. Okay, sweet. 225, Isaiah Todd for the Wizards. That's cool. 299, rookie patch auto, Quentin Grimes. I tell you what, it's been a case for these guys. That's a cool RPA though for Quentin Grimes. Jewel auto to 25. Jonathan Kuminga, Moses Moody, 14 and 25. The young Warriors studs. Congratulations to the Warriors. That is National Treasures 10579. That's a pretty good box.